what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com, and today we're going to dyno our 2013 GT500. This is a really good example of a clean, low-mile 2013 GT500, and as far as modifications are concerned, it's pretty simple. Got a JLT 127mm cold air intake, a VMP 67mm twin jet throttle body, 2.4 upper pulley, off-road X-pipe, and a VMP custom tune. Now for those of you wondering, these cars from the factory were rated at 662 horsepower and 631 pound-feet of torque. Now, as far as the dyno technical data is concerned, it's the Tremec 6060 transmission, so our pull's gonna be made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. These cars do have a carbon fiber drive shaft, a 331 rear gear, and that's a 20-inch rear wheel out back. And I believe we've got 93 octane fuel in the tank. So we're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go on our end, and then we're gonna make a hit. All right, let's take a look at some numbers. Our 2013 GT500 made 650 horsepower at 6,300 RPM. And man, oh man, you gotta love a positive displacement blower. 656 pound-feet of torque at 3,600 RPM. Now, is there room for more in this car? Well, probably so. But I can tell you the car drives great, it runs great, and the rest is history. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more dyno videos, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts of LMR.com.